ആരു പറഞ്ഞു ആരു പറഞ്ഞു ഞാൻ കണ്ടതുഴ കനവാനിൽ ആരു പറഞ്ഞു.
How actually this happened? Like
The-
getting into, especially into Indian movies and songs.
Yeah, bro, it's when I was growing up, I used to watch like a lot of Hindi movies.
Okay.
I watched a lot of Hindi movies, and I listened to a lot of music and a lot of action movies also as well.
Your favorite Bollywood star?
Bollywood, like
Yeah,
in general, the whole Bollywood.
Yeah, Hindi
Yeah, like-
movies or like Indian movies. Your favorite star?
Salman Khan,
Salman Khan.
yes, and then for here is Mohanlal,
Mohanlal.
Mamuka,
Mamuka.
yes, Uni Mukundan, and Fahad Fasil.
Uni Mukundan, Fafa.
Fahad Fasil.
You got a guy all the way from Tanzania. He just loves you.
Yes, bro.
So which was that first moment? Like, and you should try a Indian song. Which was the first song? You remember the very first song?
The first song was Zalima.
Zalima.
Yes.
Shah Rukh Khan's Zalima.
Yes, Zalima.
Race was the
Ray's music, yes.
You remember that song?
Zalima. I don't remember the lyrics, but I remember that was the first video. And then I did Lut Guy
Okay.
by Jubin Nautiyal also.
Okay.
Because in the beginning, we in Africa, we think like India is just one country that
Okay.
speaks one language.
Oh, okay, okay.
No, we did not know like India is big and it has many languages and tribes. So as days kept going, I kept learning that I fall in love with Malayalam language, Yeah, I do all languages, but I love Malayalam.
Recently, I saw your Nariveta song. The recent songs also I saw. Mohanlal songs you have sung.
Yes.
So how it started? From Salman Khan, from a Hindi directly to Malayalam.
Malayalam. Yeah, again, as I was doing Hindi songs, right? So as days kept going, then Hindi song got comfortable with me.
Oh, okay.
So I wanted something more challenging because I'm a language guy. I speak many languages and I also learn many languages. I love to learn languages.
How many languages you know?
I can speak English, French, Spanish, and a little bit of Italian, Polish, Germany.
Oh my God.
Kind of. I speak Swahili also of my country and other many local languages. So I wanted something more challenging. Then I came to find out that India has many languages like Hindi, Gujarat, Tamil,
Telugu.
Malayalam, Telugu, Punjab, Chhattisgarh, Marathi, all these languages, Then I've tried all of them, but I fall in love again with Malayalam. Because, to me, Malayalam sounds like it sounds like amazing, like so sweet, I don't know why, but I think Malayalam has many tongue twisters, right?
Yeah, there are.
A lot of tongue twisters and word playing, right?
Yeah.
So I love this. It's so artistic,
Okay.
So to my ears, it sounds very sweet. That's why I love listening to Malayalam songs most of the time. Sometimes when I'm bored or when I'm alone, then I fall in love with the whole thing, like in general.
And we used to see, especially in the beginning, like even the majority of your videos, YouTube videos, with your sister, Nima, right?
Nima, yes.
Nima. So we had a confusion, like, is it a sister, is it a wife? But like, it's just you.
Yeah.
We want to clear it, like, Kili is a single guy.
Yes, bro. That's actually, I'm single, man. That is my sister, bro. Everybody gets confused the feelings because I sing with her like love songs. and all this
Correct,
kind of
correct,
stuff.
correct.
But sometimes we don't understand the meaning of the songs. We just
Correct.
we just love the beats and the lyrics. We don't want to know the behind the meaning if the song talks about maybe other meanings or vulgar meanings, but we don't want to care about that. We are more into the flavors, the lyrics, the beat.
Okay.
So sometimes we just enjoy this. That's why you see me sometimes in Nema with like doing love songs, and then people get confused like, what? You see how he's singing with the sister on love songs. But actually that is my sister, and I'm single actually, and I'm looking for a Malu girl.
Oh, So, like, I mean, how do you find like being in India? Like, I mean, like so much connected to India. So, do you mind looking for an Indian girl also at some point of time?
Yes, I'm actually searching here in Kerala, and I will not live here until I find one.
Oh, so all the people who are watching, like, I mean, Kili is absolutely single and looking for
Yes.
an Indian girl, or like, I mean, could be a Malayali girl. So, check it out. Any song which comes to your mind which you love to sing? Just two lines. Any song?
ആരു പറഞ്ഞു ആരു പറഞ്ഞു ഞാൻ കണ്ടതുറ കനവാനിൽ ആരു പറഞ്ഞു കളിച്ചൂലും കുയിലാനും
Wow.
ഉടലൂട്ടും കാറ്റാനും. Yeah, that is my favorite song, man. Like,
Beautiful. It's a beautiful
thanks,
melody.
brother. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro.